Pick up a quarter eye plot, what can you put on it? Well, this one's quarter eye and 2 gates to go in here, and then basically you've got a reasonable sized garden. We've used part of it for a water tank to go in, but the water tank's not just for the small house, it's actually for more property. But this one cost us 160,000 to build this one. Then we just planted trees and shrubs and just stuff bought for the garden centres, so, and water supplies for the garden. But quarter eye is big enough for a small house. But the problem is this one's only 22 metres wide, so you've not really got massive area to work with. The carport's really good. I mean, the carport could easily be a 1-bedroom cottage, no problem at all. Build up, just get smart board and put windows in, concrete the floors. But the 1 bedroom's villa's just just a small house, we'll call it, tiny house. Nothing to look at inside. Just a 1 room here and a kitchen, well, kitchenette. But we do all the cooking outside. We built a complex outside for toilets and that for the swimming pool. So in that room there's got a cooker, so you cook outside the building. But it's alright, you can sit here, loads and loads of room to sit as well, so there's loads of rooms to sit outside. Okay, but here, then you've got another place you can sit here as well. You need to fix a wall, that's thing. Maintenance, people didn't tell me. They didn't come and say, oh, that needs fixed, so I need to do some jobs. But I'll do it next week. I'll get 2 of the boys for once I finish the small house build, I'm going to tackle this and get right into it and paint it, decorate it and do it all up. Shower, toilet, washing basin. Didn't even open the windows, that's how stupid they are, to let ventilation in. That's it, wee bit of ventilation, shower. But I like a place that smells nice, But this one's, this villa's was built a good few years back, but it was 160,000, so today you'd probably budget 160, 250 would probably cover it, more than cover it. But it's got 2 porches as well, front and the back, and outside the swimming pool, just here. But these ones, this is a 2-bedroom, that was 360,000 baht to build that one. But it's self-build, you've got to do it yourself. And that's I'll show you the small kitchen outside. This is two toilets next door, and a shower suite, and a kitchen, all built into 1 complex. So really, really good. It may be good for your idea, for your pool. Build a complex for it, to keep everything in the 1 place. But this one you can build very, very fast. This one's got quite a few slopes on it. You can just put a flat roof on it, and this one's maybe 45 square metres. But you could make it bigger. But a tiny house, you know, on a quarter eye plot. So land at the moment is about 250,000 baht for 1 rai. So you've got to take that in consideration. So just see the house, the land, doing the garden, making it all nice. I'd probably estimate you do it for about 650,000 for the land, the house, and what you've got to do. There's a lot of extras. I mean, you've got to air conditioning to put in, you've got to put water tanks in, you've got to put water bores, but these are all things you've got to do. Okay. No problems at all. So that's a tiny house building Udon Thani in a quarter rai land. Still work on acres, but it's rais here. 1,600 square metres for 1 rai.